How to chat on Uscreen. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can chat on Uscreen, and this is how to go about it. So kindly watch till the end. The first step is to log in into your Uscreen account, just like I've done here, and then once you're on the home page, the next step is move to the right side of the screen where you can see some icons which includes dashboard, content, people, community, subscriptions, etc. So click on content. So by clicking on content, under the content tab, you can see other tabs like videos, live stream, collections, gender, resources, etc. So once you can see all of this, the next step is to select live streaming. Alright, so after selecting live streaming, you will be brought to the live streaming page. So this live streaming, as you can see, is the secret weapon that can help with your business. So it is on that live streaming that you have access to live chat. As you can see here, you can see further details about the live streaming. So in order to make use of this feature, click on the try for free icon. Alright, you have to ensure that you are you have upgraded your account to the paid version of version, and then you are either on the 4-day trial or you are already on the paid version. So once you're already on paid version, you will see the option for you to start live streaming on this page. Select it, and then while the live streaming starts, you would have access to the live chat under the details tab. Enable the live chat, and then once your live event is set up, start the event, and then logged in users will see a chat window on the live event page where they can type messages and interact with others. So this is basically the trick about how you can chat on Uscreen. It is majorly making use of the live streaming feature on Uscreen. So go ahead to try this out, and I'm sure you'll have a nice time. Thank you for watching, and ensure that you share this video to your friends and family that needs it. Thank you for watching.